Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VPLM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, but then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very big move from a price action perspective, but then you factor in the whole volume aspect of things. And biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while, so definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk areas of resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 22 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 22, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be where the dip today finally found some support, and that's right down there at 18.5 cents. So near term, 22 cents, 18.5 cents. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things. So obviously, this would assume that you care about more so the big picture viewpoint of the chart. But from the big picture, just keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a grand scope of things perspective, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? Two key areas of resistance. First one, right here at 25 cents. You can see on the late day bounce. That's right where the kind of gas ran out of the tank. So 25 cents. Yeah, 25. And the next one, not that far away, just right up where the party officially stopped today. And that's up there at the 26-cent mark. All in all, though, breaking levels of resistance, while fun to talk about, in my opinion, at least not really a top priority. Top priority by far is just building higher bases and going through healthy consolidations, because as long as the price is building higher bases over time, then the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on building higher bases and then just sit back and let the chart do the rest. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.